My dear students, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Today, I am going to start a new class for class 10 vocational and elective English first paper, Unit 3 lesson 2, May Day. May Day means International Workers' Day. International Workers' Day. Look at all students, take your textbook, open the page 34. Look at the textbook. Okay, what do you see in the picture? A ছবিতে what do you see in the picture? Can you relate any historical event to this picture? What happened on that day? What happened on that day? My dear student, follow the class very carefully. The picture I think is a patriot focusing the significance of May Day. Okay. Second question, can you relate any historical event to this picture? The picture relates to the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish their minimum rights. Okay, my dear students, it is very important class for you. Now I read out this passage. Listen to me what I say. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1 all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and successes of the working people to establish an 8-hour working day. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st, in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvest Machine Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour work day. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvest Machine Company and about 6,000 workers joined it. Dear students, follow the class very carefully. All students attentive to your textbook, and if you do not understand anything, any topic, you will question me, I shall reply you. Next, the rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 2,000 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly, 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many others were injured. The events of May 1, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Dear students, now read out silent these trophies very carefully. Now look at the whiteboard. There are many vocabulary, very important and difficult vocabulary in here. Commemorate, commemorate, establish, establish, commemorate, স্মৃতিচারণ, establish, স্থাপন করা, exploit, শোষণ করা, go down, নামা, industrial revolution, revolution, শিল্প বিপ্লব, reminder, স্মৃতি, reminder means স্মৃতি or etc. My dear student, now to your textbook, you follow them, chose the best answer. I chose CHOOSE, chose the best, ANSWERS. May day, observe on, OBSERVED, observe on. May day observed on May 1, May 2. Number 2, about dash workers, WORKERS, dash workers join, JOINED, dash workers join the works, 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 rally, 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 about workers join, dash workers. Number 1,000, 2, 6,000. Which event May Day observed on May 1 or May 2? About workers join the work rally 1,000 or 1,000 or 6,000. Which event is correct? It is your opinion. You find out your textbook and answer the question. Works were on striking. Works were on STRIKE, striking 1, New York, YORK, 2, Chicago, CHICAGO, Chicago. 2 option. Find out anyone. May 1, about worker joined the work rally 6,000. This answer is correct. May 1st, the Workers' Day, International Workers' Day. It is public holiday, all world this day. Next, so the best answer. Next, follow this class very carefully. Where did industrial revolution? Where did INDUSTRI Chicago, New York, Chicago. This answer is correct. Chicago. What did industrial INDUSTRI industrial REVOLUTION revolution take place? TAKE take place. PLACE. Option 1 in EUROPE, Europe and US to Europe, EUROPE. Which answer is correct? Which answer is correct? Answer 1 is correct. In Europe and US. In Europe and US. Okay. In Europe and US. Next question. What is May Day today? 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 Questions are A. Public, 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 HOLIDAY, public holiday. It is public holiday. My dear students, it is very important class for you. You know that there are many bad situations in the whole world. Bangladesh is one of them. So we are continuing your study because there are no so much time in your hand, or in your at hand. The examination is at the door. Okay, the final annual examination will be held present month 24 November. So you have not so much time. That is why you or all students will be studying at home very carefully. Okay, my dear students, if you do not understand any topics, you will comment me. I shall reply you. Those students who will show my class they give me like and subscribe me. Then you will get my class continue. Okay, my dear students, now I write down in your khata homework. Who went on strike? Who went on strike? S-T-R-I-K-E. Number 2, how many workers? How many workers did join the rally? Okay. 2 questions, your homework. Who went on strike? How many workers did join the rally? I believe that all students will do the homework at home, and next class I shall show the questions answer. Thank you very much all of students. Good bye. Okay.